All right, that's 2 cans of drained crushed pineapple into my bundt pan. I'm gonna spread this out a little bit. That is looking delicious. Alrighty, I'm coming in with my sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. And I am just gonna glop this on the sides and into that pineapple. I wanna get all of this to cover. It's gonna end up running down our cake and just be so delicious. It goes perfectly with that pineapple. All right, now I'm coming in with my Jack Daniel's Honey Tennessee pulled pork. And what I'm gonna do, I've got my pulled pork right here. I'm gonna just break this up a little bit and get this kind of nicely spread. Y'all, I love pulled pork. You can make your own. We're just doing this the quick, easy way today. Otherwise, you know, we just got a smoker. We actually can't wait to make our own pulled pork. But sometimes you have something come up last minute. You need to just pick up something real quick from the grocery store and get it in the oven, get it going. And if that's the case, this is a perfect alternative to making your own, just using this little Jack Daniel's pulled pork. That looks great. All right, I'm just gonna move that to the side for 1 second. I've got a bowl here. I'm coming in with 1 can of my creamed corn. Yum, I love creamed corn. So delicious. Now I've got a can of diced green chilies here. We're just, like I said, doing this easy peasy today. No major operations, just kind of keeping it good. All right, I'm gonna put an egg in here. Boop. A couple of tablespoons of milk, just like that. We've already got a lot of liquid happening. All right, I'm just gonna give this a good little mix, get that egg incorporated. Oh, look at that, perfection. Y'all, you might have guessed where this is going. I'm coming in with my cornbread mix. And you can use whatever cornbread you like, mix-wise, or make your own. I just happen to have this one in my pantry, getting ready to expire. All right, let's mix this together. We're gonna see if we're gonna need 1 more egg. Now, there are so many great cornbread recipes out there. You know, some people put sour cream. I really like the cream corn in mine.
Jalapenos?
Jalapenos, we debated. But we decided to keep it a little more simple to go with that pulled pork. This is looking really good though. Actually it's coming together pretty perfectly. Don't you think, Marty?
I do, it looks great.
And it's gonna go so good. Like I said, like barbecue and like pulled pork, barbecue and cornbread is like, goes hand in hand, you know, like the dish and the spoon. And so I think this is gonna be super delicious on top of our pulled pork. All right, y'all, here we go. We are almost done with this. I'm just gonna stick a little bit on top here. Oh yeah, you know what I was just thinking of? There's honey cornbread, there's cheesy cornbread, there's, like you said, jalapeno cornbread. Sometimes we'd like to put little smokies in our cornbread or ground beef cooked up, you know, with some Mexican spices. I just love cornbread, y'all. It's so delicious and there's so much you can do with it. And I think, like I said, it's perfect for the barbecue, but it's also a great dish for the upcoming fall because we've got Thanksgiving, you know, corn, big Thanksgiving treat. And I think this is just about ready, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 375. It's gonna take a little bit to cook in here, probably about 40 minutes, but I'll let you know. Alrighty, y'all. We ended up cooking our cornbread here for about 45 minutes. Now the only thing left to do, put a little plate on here and then bring it over here to the edge and very carefully just like that. All right, our pulled pork Hawaiian cornbread. Feels like it's coming out pretty good. I cannot wait to give this a try, y'all. Oh my gosh, it came out gorgeous.
Wow.
It came out absolutely perfect, y'all. Hawaiian barbecue cornbread. This is all my favorite foods. Crushed pineapple, pulled pork, and cornbread. Oh my goodness, the only thing left to do is to cut into this beauty. Oh my goodness, this is perfect for your end of the summer luau. This is a perfect thing to make as we go into fall, and we love our cornbread.
Oh my
Look at, we got those green peppers and those corn kernels inside. Let me get that onto a plate. Oh my goodness, I am excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Wow. That pulled pork pineapple cornbread, y'all, this is so good. You've got to try it.